searching for Casey J. Lipscomb. Casey is a 3-year-old black female, approximately 2 feet tall, weighing 40 pounds. She has black hair and brown eyes. Casey was last seen wearing blue tights with polka dots and snowflakes. The abductor, Raheem Tyshawn Tate, is described as a black male, 5 feet 11 inches tall, 250 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes, missing 2 teeth. They were last traveling in a white 2017 Chevrolet Malibu, North Carolina, registration home 9661. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call Gastonia Police Department immediately at 704-886-6702 or call 911 or star HP. Activate Command Region, North Carolina, WE.